SOS button. I wonder what it does. Let's get some light in this beauty. You must find out what happens when you push that button. Push it. Push it, Daniel. Push the button. Maybe I should ask Nicole instead.
Hi, Daniel. Hey, what's going on? Are you having an emergency?
Yes, a curiosity emergency. My car has this SOS button and I just have to know what happens when I push it.
Well, it's exactly what you think will happen. Your car will send it an SOS and emergency services will be contacted.
That's what I have my cell phone for. Only for emergencies.
So the button can actually do a lot more. It's connected to the so-called eCall system, which has been mandatory in all cars in the EU since April 2018. If you push it, and only do this if there's an accident, it's going to send out your location, the direction you were driving, as well as the engine type. And if, heaven forbid, you have an accident and your airbags deploy and the seat belt tightens, it's going to send all this information out automatically without you having to do a thing.
Okay, in that case, it's better than my cell phone. And what happens if I push the button accidentally?
Don't worry. What you're seeing is just a cover. The real button is underneath. So you have to really press it in order to access the button under it. So you're not just going to hit it by accident and then set off an SOS. Don't worry.
Perfect. Do you think a body shop would install a second button that calls you?
That's a great idea. Why don't we... No, let's not do that. Let's just stick to using the telephone. I'll talk to you soon, Daniel. Bye.
Bye, Nicole.
Volkswagen.